For that reason I just shared with you, they have a time struggle, they have a time challenge. And this is really for folks who are professional sellers or have daytime hours to basically go in to meet with those companies during the day. Does that make sense, guys? Yeah. That's how I saw that. The network side attracted me, because on the network side is where we have the ability to, it's networking. So everyone in here has a personal network. Everybody in here knows 250 people I don't know. Is that fact? That's a fact. Fact. Everybody in here knows 250 people I don't know. And each one of the 250 people you know, they each know 250 people you don't know.
That's right.
So we're marketing through these networks of people. And there's nothing more powerful than personal relationships to share an idea. You know how expensive it would be if Legal Shield had to run infomercials on radio, newspaper, and TV to explain the Legal Shield membership?
Oh, wow.
That's the reason they don't do it. It's not as effective as the personal relationship that you have with someone and just ask them to take a look. And you don't have to say it, but you're basically saying, take a look at the credibility of our relationship. But you don't have to say that, because there's an automatic trust there. Is that right, guys? When I got